If you're applying for a dependent visa, a skilled work visa, or a tier 4 visa in 2022, then you need to watch this video as I'm sharing with you strategies on how you can actually effectively apply for your visa from the beginning of the application down to the biometrics appointment to you getting your visa effectively without any stress. Now, I've been getting quite a number of messages from people, those that are applying for the May intake, on how they've been delayed as regards the visa approval and what have you. So many of them are still back in their home country, and it's exactly 1 month since they put out the application. So they are actually very bothered, and I felt there's a need for me to share with you guys the strategy I used when I was applying for my visa. And I got my visa practically 3 weeks before my program started, and I was able to actually plan my movement to the UK. So if you think this is interesting, don't go anywhere, keep watching till the end of the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Daniel. I currently reside in the UK and I share videos on how to relocate abroad. So if you're coming across my YouTube channel for the very first time, you need to click on the red subscribe button to join the growing family. Trust me, it's going to be worth your time. I've got amazing content on this channel that you can always check out from time to time. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real deal. Thank you for the love and thank you for being here. Waiting 6 weeks to get the decision on your visa application can be frustrating, and I felt there's a need for me to share with you guys how you can actually prevent yourself from being stressed out while waiting for the decision of your visa application. I actually just came out this afternoon just to enjoy the beautiful view here in the city of Newcastle and have a couple of drinks with some of my friends and just have fun, basically, since I was off work today and currently on holidays. So but it just came up to my mind that there's a need for me to share with you guys the updates as regards the visa application for the tier 4 visa, the skilled work visa, or even the dependent visa, how the visa application has been going for a couple of weeks now, and also to give you guys a strategy on how you can successfully apply for those visas and not get yourself worked out. Honestly, it can be frustrating applying for UK visa now. It's really stressful and strenuous, and I felt I need to share with you guys what to expect. Now, the first thing is, after getting admission to study in the UK, there's a need for you to actually apply to get your CAS. Now, I've got quite a number of questions from people asking, after I've secured an admission from a UK university, what is the next thing? Now, the first thing you need to do after you've been able to secure admission to any of the universities in the UK is to confirm from your university if there's a need for you to provide a proof of funds to apply for CAS. Now, a particular student contacted me. Now, our program was supposed to start May 20th, 2022, and as at the 1st of May, she was waiting to actually apply for a CAS so that she's going to apply for the visa probably 2 weeks before her start date. Now, by the time she contacted the school 1st of May, she was told that she needed to provide proof of funds. Now, what she could have actually done earlier, she actually did admission around February, then she waited until 1st of May to apply for CAS, because she felt after getting CAS, the next thing is just to apply for visa, and she felt it's not going to take a while. Now, it's very important for you to ensure that you confirm from your university if there will be a need for you, or you clarify the kind of documents you need to provide before you can apply for the CAS, which is a confirmation of acceptance of studies. So, the mistake she made was, at the first week of May, she was just applying for CAS, thinking she's just going to get the CAS and then apply for a visa. Now, when she contacted the school to apply for CAS, she was told that she needed to provide proof of funds, which obviously is going to take another 28 days to mature before she can use the proof of funds. So now, as at the time I'm making this video now, she just got her CAS and she's now planning to apply for visa while her program has started about 3 weeks ago. So it's very important for you to ensure that if you're applying for your visa in September 2022, and as at now, which is June, I'm making this video June 2022, ensure that you've gotten your admission, then this is the best time for you to start applying for your CAS. Now, for most universities in the UK, and I made a video on why so many universities in the UK require you to have the proof of funds before you can apply for CAS. Now, this is as a result of most people being unable to get a successful response as regards to their visa application. So it's very important for you to ensure that you have your proof of funds ready before you apply for your CAS. Now, obviously, your proof of funds is going to require you to have the funds for 28 days. So if you're applying, ensure that you've started building your proof of funds, because if you're applying outside the UK, you can get your visa application started 3 months before your program starts, and you can relocate to the UK 1 month before your program starts. So if you are able to secure admission 3 months before the start of your program, let's for instance your program is starting in September and you have June, July, August before your September program, then you can start building your proof of funds as early as mid or late July. Honestly, that's the best bet. For me, I would probably even advise you to start building your proof of funds from the 3rd or 2nd week of July, so that by the time you build your proof of funds to like August, late August or mid-August, you can actually apply for your cars. And most universities in the UK, if you apply for your cars, you get your cars as early as max 5 working days after your application. I actually got my own cars. I think I got my cars the following day before I was able to apply for my visa. So it's very important to ensure that you apply for your you start building your proof of funds as early as possible. And the good thing about the proof of funds is that you can use your proof of funds to apply for visa in as much as the proof of funds is not more than 30 days old. Now, what do I mean by this? It means that if you are applying for your visa in let's say for instance, let's say you're applying for a visa 30th of June, your proof of funds, you can still use your proof of funds as at probably 5th of June. It means that the proof of funds must not be more than 30 days old. That is the end date of that proof of funds must not be more than 30 days old before you can apply for visa. So obviously you can even have your proof of funds ready and done with, then apply for your visa 2 weeks later. That particular document is still valid. Now I'm saying this because of the question I've been getting from people as regards the PFO. I'm still going to make a video, a revised video. I've got a video on that already, so I'm going to do like an audio video very soon on answering all your questions as regards the proof of funds. If you think that will interest you, please state in the comment section so I can consider doing a video on that. So ensure that you apply for your cars as early as possible, honestly, so that even if there's a need for you to apply for your visa on time, you will know you have your cars documents available with you already. I think I got my cars, I applied for my cars in December, despite the fact that my program was going to start late February. So I've gotten my cars, I think I got my cars first week, the 2nd day after the new year, that's 2nd of January. And my program was starting in February. So you don't need to wait till you are close to the start of your program before you can apply for your cars. And also this goes for dependents. Honestly, it's taking quite a long time to get your visa approved now. A friend of mine applied for a visa, a student, no, she's coming as a dependent. Her husband is schooling here, and it took her exactly 7 weeks to get a decision. Honestly, if it was me, I probably would have passed out before the visa came out. I applied, when I applied for my visa in February 2021, then the priority visa was the priority service was still functional at that time. So I was supposed to get my decision within 5 working days, and it took them 7 working days to get my visa approved. Honestly, I was almost passing out. I was having sleepless nights as a Gaza. So I know what it takes to actually wait for 6 weeks to get your visa approved. It can be tormenting. You know, a lot of thoughts, a lot of ideas will probably be coming and running through your mind. So it's very important for you to ensure that you have your proof of funds ready as soon as possible. And I would advise, if you're getting your proof of funds ready for application, ensure that you don't take the funds out of your account until you've done your biometrics, like you've gotten your biometrics appointment date. And that's one of the challenges most people are facing now. You probably apply for your visa today, and your appointment date might be at that 3 weeks. So that's why it's very important to ensure that you start your admission process as soon as possible. Start your CAS application. The moment you've gotten your admission, at least 2 months before your start date, apply for your CAS or start building your proof of funds so you can apply for the tier 4 visa. And also need to point out that this is not just restricted to students, even for people that are on skilled work visa. Now I've got a friend that she just got a tier 2 job, and the funny thing about should I say, her story is the fact that she got a tier 2 job and she was so excited. You know, immediately she resigned from her part-time job. She told them she was no longer working. She got P45. Now P45 is the document you get if you're no longer working with an organization in the UK. Now when she got this P45 document, she was like, oh, they're going to process a tier 2 visa on time. So she left her job. She was waiting for the visa application with a new employer. Lo and behold, don't forget, one thing about living in the UK is that your bills doesn't stop. Even the day you stop working, your bills still keeps counting. Now when she resigned, she was looking for a tier 2 job to, for a visa to be out. And one thing about them is that if your tier 2 visa is not out, you can't start working. So She applied for the tier 2 job. The following week she resigned. She applied for the tier 2 visa. Then the following week she resigned from her work, waiting for this visa to come out and what have you. The another thing is that the visa took 5 weeks to come out, so she was jobless for 4 weeks. You know, I think on the 3rd week she had to look for another part-time job to do because her bills were actually piling up and she wasn't earning. So you can't afford to live in the UK and not earn. Like, you have to keep earning every week, every day to be able to meet up with the financial obligation. So I understand that it can be tormenting. Like, she went through a lot of pain waiting for the tier 2 job. You know, at even a point she was having some crazy thoughts as regards the visa, like, oh, have I done something wrong? Have I, you know, flouted any of my any of the what's it called, any of the instruction or any rules while I was on tier 4? Am I not getting this tier 2? Like, she was having crazy thoughts and all I could do at that time was just to console her, let her understand that nothing's going to happen. It's a general thing as regards the visa application. So it's actually taking a lot of time, and I know what people are going through, waiting endlessly for this visa. I understand. And the good thing or the best thing for you to do, especially if you're applying from overseas, and this is my friend, she's already in the UK and it still took that long to get her visa done. I got someone that applied for post-study and it took I think about 4 weeks before the post-study visa came out. So it's taking a long time for you to get, for people to get their visa approved. So you need to actually, so post-study still basically is to tell you that you need to ensure that you start your process early. It doesn't make sense for you to come into the UK a week or 2 weeks after your program has started. It doesn't, to me personally, it doesn't make any sense. So it's very important for you to ensure that you have your plan in place and ensure that, I personally advise, if you're coming to the UK, enter into the UK at least 3 weeks or even 1 month before your program starts. Honestly, it gives you enough time, it gives you like a buffer for you to settle down, get balance, you know, get ready for the challenge waiting for you ahead. Because honestly, it's not, you're not going to get into the UK and the job is waiting for you. You're still going to come into the UK, apply for your NI number, apply to get you know, try to get your BRP, and all of those processes, apply for jobs, try to get a job that, you know, you can actually leverage on to pay your bills. It's not going to be easy. That's why it's very important to ensure that you enter into the UK as soon as possible. So for the September intake, ensure you're in the UK as early as late August or first week of September, so you can get yourself settled and prepared for the challenges ahead. So this will be the end of this video. If you have any questions as regards to this application, as regards, or you need help with the application, then you can actually state in the comment section or go to my description to click on the link where I put chat with me, so you have like a one-on-one conversation with me. I can actually also help you with your visa application and what have you, and, you know, guide you on how to do it the right way if you apply for your visa. And for my, if you are coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, please click on the red subscribe button to join the growing family. Trust me, it's going to be worth your time. I've got amazing content on this channel you're going to find resourceful. And for my returning subscribers and viewers, you guys are the real deal. Thank you for the love, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So this will be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.